Sorry, but I was on the phone when you said it. I was on the phone when you said it. I was on the phone when you said it. It's above me now, above me now, above me now, above me now. It's above me now, above me now, above me now.
Okay, so hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick little makeup get ready with me. We're going to chit chat, maybe not. I'm gonna care how I feel. Maybe I feel up to it, maybe if I don't, I don't know. But I've been holding off because I went to Sephora and I've got a little bit of goodies in this bag right here. First, I got the Modern Renaissance palette. Oh, natural lighting, come through, man, come through. I got the Renaissance palette, Modern Renaissance palette, and I've been putting this unboxing off for so long. As you can see, I am totally barefaced, coming on camera totally barefaced because I'm gonna do a makeup look on this. Truly wanted to review is these, which is the Rihanna Fenty Beauty the lip gloss balm, the new one. I wanted to do a review on this one, and I wanted to do a review on the highlighter. I can use like try the Rihanna's the highlight as well. So I'm gonna do the quickest makeup look. You can watch me do my makeup, and then we're just gonna go on to this review. Might do the palette. I mean, it's Saturday, and we can probably go somewhere, you know, go somewhere on a Saturday night. Don't mind the hair. I don't know what to do with it because it's like it was nice and like fluffy yesterday, then I twisted up and just to redo it, and then it's like this now. It's but hey, if you actually liked how I did this twist out, leave a comment below.
Meow.
4 years natural?
Meow.
Yeah. So I got some length. Let's just get onto the face. I already put I use my Proactive. This is my go-to for my skin. My Proactive my under eye total cream from Pure Biology. That's what I put on my face. Since we are gonna do Fenty, we're just gonna do Fenty all the way. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Pro Filler Primer. I'm just gonna use that. Just doing the Fenty everything. Finally got my eyebrows in check, y'all. Yo, you ever heard of bush yet? Oh my god, it's a bushlims when it came to my eyebrows because I didn't have a chance to completely shave my eyebrows, and I finally shaved them. Finally, so happy. So get that. And then I like to use two primers. One like for me, the Fenty is like a moisturizing primer, and for like my problem areas, I do like to use silicone primer. I'm not sure if Fenty primer is like a silicone based, but it doesn't feel like it. So I like silicone based primer, and I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. I like my nose area because my nose is very greasy. My nose is the part that is very like oily, and you can see it's more like bumpy and porous, like my nose area. Finish my priming, and I like to do it the Jackie Aina way, which is taking my powder. And finally, you guys, Jesus Christ, finally my blouse and skirt could get the Laura Mercier powder in deep medium deep, because that white sitting was not doing it. I bought the tiny one in the regular color because when I went to Sephora they didn't have it. Finally I got the medium deep. I have bought it in the bigger one. So this one, if I have to do anything, I'm probably just gonna set my under eyebrow. Don't mind me. Most of my tool them not so great right now, so if your summer brush them dirty, keep it to yourself. So I'm just gonna go in and set the primer. So we're gonna start off with the eyebrows. I always start off with eyebrows. Do you guys want a eyebrow tutorial? I might do an eyebrow tutorial. I really need to make sure I'm filming. So what I just did was put on Fenty makeup, Fenty Beauty, the foundation, in 390. Yeah, I just did that. For my under eye highlight, I actually take same Fenty, and I'm putting this Cover Effects Custom Enhancer Drop in Celestial Cover Effects. I mix it just to get my under eye popping. I'm gonna use a concealer, but not too much, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna use this Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. Yeah. We're still on Fenty, okay? We're still on the Fenty, but we're gonna switch it up now. And what I'm gonna do is take my brush and the Blow Mercier powder in deep, and I'm just gonna set that. Also, what I like to do, especially like if I want my makeup to stay on a whole every day, after I'm done setting my face, I like to take my Mario setting spray or just a skin finishing spray, whatever spray it is, and then I like to take that and spray my face. I really like to do that. Take that, spray my face in the middle of still doing my makeup. Now let's go on to the eyes. Okay, Renaissance. Ooh, I don't know. I feel like I should have put that on camera. That experience just a while ago. Experience just a while ago.
Oh my god, it's so real. Like
it is. Ooh, let me see it. I just gave you the first unboxing experience. Ooh, this is beautiful. So I'm thinking that I'm wearing a blue, so I might just keep it simple. There's a lot of pink in here, I'm not gonna lie. Let's do a little swatching situation. Okay, let's do a swatching video as well. Tempera. First, we're gonna start with tempera.
no ma'am. No ma'am.
Alright, I'm gonna stop being pussy and actually dig into it. Ooh, so smooth.
Oh my god, it's so real. Like,
Glitter. Ooh, look at the package. Look at the package. So gorgeous, so cute. It's already glitter. I'm having glitter on my hands already, and I'm just going to look at that. Like the Diamond Dust Balm. And just to review this, look at the package. Let me tell you, the package is stunning. Look on this. You can't tell me nothing. This package is gorgeous. Wow. And it's like, once you put it at certain angles, it looks like rose gold-ish, pink-ish, but it looks silver at the same time. Like, you see that? It's like a mirror, and I can see myself just like a mirror. So I'm just gonna, oh jeez, look at that. Look at that. That, it's glistening, my neck. It's glistening. It is shining like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Like, for real. This is gorgeous. Look how cute this package is. Okay, Rihanna, you did that. That's gorgeous AF. Just look at that. That's stunning. All right, and I love. Let's take a swatch, you guys. Let's take a swatch. It's kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. It looks scary because it looks silver. It looks like silver glitter. There it is on my hands. You can barely see it, the way it's shining bright like a diamond. And ooh, this should be called Better Than Sex. Cause, are you kidding me? Whoa. I don't think I'm ready for this, you guys. I'm not ready for this. So I'm not gonna lie, it's smooth. It is smooth. Like, when you feel it, it's like, it feels like nothing is on your hand. It's you can see the glitterness, and it's just when it catches the light, like, that's when it happens. It's magic, yo. That's a swatch, and now we're gonna just do it on our cheeks. I'm gonna take some on the brush, and I'm just gonna do this in my first time impression of doing this, and then just do it on the cheeks right here. Do you see that? Do you effing see this? Do you see this? What? Wow. Oh god, hold on. I think I just want this all over my face. Hold on. Let me do the nose thing. Nose and the brush. I did not contour it, by the way. I forgot to contour today. Alright, this is the Fenty side. And this is another side. Fenty side. Another side. Just for fair, I don't know, like, comparison, I'm gonna do this side with my fingers. It is the finger. Oh wow. Okay. With the finger. Ooh. With the finger. Oh. Ooh. Okay, with the finger, it looks more like natural. Okay, so look at that. Finger, brush. Personally like it applied with the finger, because with the finger, look at that, it just looked like a natural look how appley my cheeks look. Rihanna, you did that. You motherfucking did that. You mother effing did that. Alright, next. Wow. This is gorgeous. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Don't mind the, oh my god, don't mind the hair. Don't mind the hair. I don't know what to do with my hair. It's pissing me off, but because it's long in my face for no reason. Like, bro, gorgeous AF. Alright. And this is not how I wanted to do it. I wanted to do it on some glamorous ass wig. Stunt on you guys. Like for real, stunt on you guys. And it didn't happen like that. We're going to go on to the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Like, girl, like normally I have my regular schmegular from the Beauty Supply lip balm, and I love it. But I was thinking like this, if you're looking for a step up basic Beauty Supply lip balm, I think this would be perfect. And here's the packaging, the glass bomb. Just gonna take it out. Oh my god. One thing though, the packaging, I swear to god. Oh, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Are you serious? Rihanna, what the fuck? Oh, this packaging is gorgeous. This is kind of scary though. This is scary just like the highlight. Like, ooh, look at the applicator. It's dope for applicator, big enough for like big mouth people. I'm just gonna take a swatch. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, it smells like, oh my god, it smells like vanilla. This is a swatch of the gloss bomb next to the Fenty highlighter, and this is a gloss. I'm gonna put it on this bare lip. So take a close up on my crusty dusty lip. Don't at me. And I'm just gonna put it on. Oh, it's so good. It smells so good. Okay. It's thick. Yeah, it's thick when you do this. For me, alright, so for me it's like, I don't know, it's wearing on me, I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like this would be gorgeous as like if you have it on like a lipstick, whatever, and then you put this on as a topper, you know, like just to make the lipstick gloss. Yeah, it's, I feel like that's what it's for. It doesn't, look at that, it doesn't create that white cast thing. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like take this off and I'm gonna put it on more of a colored lip like this. I want something like this, and then I'll put it on top. Take this doe, I don't even want to fuck, I think I'm gonna mess up the doe foot, so I'm just gonna do. Girl, what did I tell you? What? You can't see it on camera. What? Do you see? Bitch. Bitch. Do you see this? Wow. Alright, and then this is not really the final look because I don't have on lashes. Oh, it is almost 7 o'clock. Are you kidding me? And look at this glistening. What the front door? Look at that glistening. And don't come for me and my real titties. Some girls have real titties. Don't come for them. Don't come for them. Me, you're gonna have a problem. This is the final look, you guys. Bro, every time that Fenty catches a light, it takes my breath away. That is it, you guys. And I guys see you in the next one. Bye. Like me in the shadow in my room. The love that I gave you.